It's a lot of this club competition today. Broke a lot for Lucky earlier. Now Greg is going to try 2. Let's go with box number 3. Bottom 1 from that other case. And actually, the top 3 were the ones Lucky left over from that box of 7. So we'll see what he left behind. Did you know I finally found the love of a lifetime? A love to last my whole life through. Oh. Finally found the love of a lifetime. And somewhere in my heart, I finally... Oh, okay, you got it. You want the inserts too, though, right, Greg? That's what I was doing for Lucky. He didn't want the paper base either. So, we'll do the chrome first. Superfractor, purple. Jude Bellingham, Simons, Kubo, Gavi, numbered to 75. 22 of 75. We hit one was actually, I can't remember if it was Greg's break. Maybe it was Lucky's. We hit a gold autograph, autograph out of those bonus packs. Give the hits to chat. You got it. Greg, all your hits I'll randomize to the chat. Fair enough? Greg's like, what in the hell are you talking about? I don't know. I finally found the love of a lifetime. Relic. I was hoping for an autograph sweat. Hey, we got one of those gold, 1 per box. And a green. There's your color and your relic. I'll just sort out the rookies and inserts from this batch. It's the new trend. I don't know why they put so much base in this stuff when you really think about it. They overprint it. A, B, 90% of the people don't want it. You got maybe even 95%. About 5% of the people may put a set together, which you can easily do because they give you so many set cards. Speaking of that, I heard Heritage was skewed. Like there was a lot of cards that was hard to get the set numbers. And then some were like 30 duplicates. They're making it tougher to put the sets together. All right, those are rookies. Your rookies, future stars, and inserts. Phone's ringing, dude. Thank you, Donnie. Spam call. Can we bring the death slide to spam callers or not really? It was funny. We were watching one of those murder shows last night, and you see the guy like using the guy that's missing / been killed. You see another guy using his ATM machine card at a convenience store. So they get this guy, and he doesn't want to tell them where that guy that's missing is. I was like, oh, don't let me be president. Laws would be changed. I'd walk right in there. I'd be like, dude, we got a set of bolt cutters over here. You tell us where the F mat is, or you're going to lose a finger. You have 30 seconds. I want a lawyer. Yeah, good one. You ain't getting one. We already saw you on the ATM machine on the camera with the dude's card after he's missing. You withdrawing money. You got 15 seconds. Or the index finger is as good as gone. Marcus Thurman. You'd have people singing like a canary. Especially after I smash off that first finger. I'm like, now you got one more minute while you're in pain to tell me where he's at, or you lose that hand. We're not going finger for finger. Now I'm taking the hand next. Where's Matt at? Evan Ferguson, 199. Jimenez, Modric, Lopez. Here was that now starring Harry Kane gold. 10 of 50. Oh wait, we'll put that one there. Rodriguez, Mbappe, Gnabry, Marco Reus. That is player worn memorabilias. Neves, Hoyland, Mount, Milan's Mission. Was any of these numbered? Oh, this purple was numbered to 299 on Mason Mount. Mohamed Salah. That one's 125. Erling Haaland and Martinelli. All right, that was box 1. That's the rookies. That's the base. Box 2. That's right. Death slide. I'm bringing back medieval laws. I don't care anymore. If I was president and I got all the things I would like to do in law passed, you wouldn't have to lock your car door no more, or your house door. You can sleep with the doors open at night. Forson, Barella, Ronaldinho, and Gerrard. Oh, that would be brutal. The 4 horses where you get quartered. Oh, you show that on TV for breaking a severe law. That law will never get broken again. You can take that to the bank. Quartering gets brought back into the judicial system. They'd be like, what'd that guy do? Here's a fat one. I'll wait for it. They'd be like, what'd that guy do? Oh, he thought it would be cute to go shoot up a school. Now you see that horse over there? He's got his torso. That one's got a leg. That other one over there's got his arm and shoulder. Ooh, that would be brutal. That's almost as bad as the death slide. That horse quartering. Thanks, Edgar. All right. Here we go, Greg. There's your color. There is a fat one this time, so it's not just a jersey. Or, if it is a jersey, it's in a 140 stock card. Kareem Benzema. Doc, my rash is flaring up. What you got? Here, try this Kareem Benzema. Thanks, Doc. That'll do the trick. Alan Shearer. Now starring Dominic Szoboszlai. Oh no, those two beasts tried to jump. Bring them back. I keep it 100. Ferguson and Rice. Do you have the time to listen to me whine? All right, Greg, that's all your rookies and inserts. I'll add it to this pile. This is all the base. Now the colors with a fat one in there. Rodriguez, these are the balls. Gilla. Here's a pink. Title winners, West Ham United. Oh, that's right, pinks aren't numbered. Purples are, though. So the purple winners, $2.99. Lewandowski, Mbappe. It is just a jersey, but it is the fat version. Jack Grealish. That one's 46 of 50. You would think if they're going to make the super fat stock like that instead of the thin jersey, they would at least make some sort of patch off of these jerseys. Why make it super fat? If you see that, see how thin that one is in comparison, but it's basically the same thing. I don't know. I don't make them. Jimenez, Rakitic, Ferguson, Future Star Blue, 275. Rico, Simons, Nadir, and Barcola, 99. All right, Greg W. Thanks for the breaks. I appreciate it, buddy.